Hi Julia Street, it's Miss Natalie. I'm here today to show you a little science experiment with some seeds. We're going to plant some different types of seeds in these jars, and we're just going to watch and see what happens. So what you're going to need for this experiment, depending on how many different types of seeds you have, I have actually 3 little cups here with 3 different types of seeds. So I have 3 jars. And I have paper towels that you're going to stuff your jars with. And then you're going to need some water, and you can use just a pitcher of water to pour in, or you can use a little sprayer if you'd like. And then if you're near a sink, you can just dump the extra water, or you can just get a small bowl to be able to do that into the bowl. So today I actually have green beans. I'm going to take these out of the cup so you can see them a little bit closer. These are little green bean seeds, and these are going to go into the green bean jar in just a minute. And then I have some little cucumber seeds. What do you notice about these? They're a little bit different than those green bean seeds, aren't they? So those are cucumber seeds. And then last, I have some pea seeds. Take a look at those. How are those different from the other 2 seeds? I noticed these are a little bit of a sphere shape, right? So we have 3 different types of seeds. And in the first jar we have bean seeds. So we're going to take our jar and we're going to pour some water in here to get those paper towels nice and wet. And then I'm just going to take my jar, and if there's any extra water that comes out, we'll pour it in there. And most of you know, with younger children, they love to pour water, so you might end up having a little bit too much in there the first time. So then you're going to take your bean seeds, and you're going to squeeze them in there, and you want to have them in the front of your jar so that you'll be able to see them if they start growing. So those are the bean seeds. Next we're going to go to the cucumber seeds. Same thing, you're going to pour some water in there. Get those paper towels nice and saturated. And then again you're going to pour off any extra water. Whoops, a little bit of a spill there. I do have a napkin though, and I'll make sure I clean up my space when I'm finished, because that's the Montessori way. Alright, so we have cucumber seeds in this one, and these are going to be a little bit trickier to get in because they're small, but it'll be a lot easier for your child to do that because they have smaller hands than mine, right? And once you wet these, if you feel like you need a little bit more paper towels, you can do that. You just want to make sure that you're pushing the seeds up against the glass so that you'll be able to see this. All right. And then our last jar says pea seeds on there. So we're going to get our pea seeds. Oh, almost forgot our first step. We need to put some water in there first. I'm pouring it slowly, not too fast. It's nice and wet. Pour off any extra water that I have in there. And now I'm going to add my pea seeds. Just kind of roll to the side a little bit there. I probably will need to go back and add a few paper towels to that one, it looks like. So we have our bean seed, cucumber seed, and our pea seeds. And now what we're going to do is we're going to just find a sunny place to put these, and we're just going to watch to see what happens. For an extension for this work, you can actually make a little chart like this, and I'm actually going to go ahead and make a mark, a little tally mark, a straight line for each of these to represent 1 day of growing. And so I'm going to put these outside in the sunshine, and I'm just gonna observe and see what happens. So I encourage you to find something that you would really love to eat and plant a seed and see what happens. Bye.